What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how to clean your AirPods Pro if they get dirty. So if you're like me and you've been using the AirPods for a while now, you can see that the tips of these AirPods Pro do actually get very dirty, even the inside sometimes. So I'm going to basically show you how to clean these up. So I'm going to get right into it. You can take out the AirPods and you can see they do get dirty from the inside. Sometimes you can see like there's some wax or whatever, like some just some dirt because you put it on the table, you know, wax from your ear. It could be either or, and like, you know, there's a few ways to clean this, but I'm going to show you the easiest way. You can take a Clorox wipes, so like this one, and you can, or a Lysol wipes I should say, and you can gently just cover it around. Obviously if the other sides are dirty as well, you can do that as well, and just a little bit on the inside, just a little bit, you like just around a little bit. If you have a Q-tip, that can work well as well. So just pull it out inside so it's a little bit wet. It doesn't basically like a bounty or anything, and just, you know, like thoroughly, you know, just like rub it across, and it gets clean. So as you can see, it literally cleans up the whole thing. You can do the same thing for the other AirPod as well. Like I said, just like firmly do it, just a little bit on the inside, like rub it around just like that a little bit. It's a little technique I just did, and just, you know, clean it up a little bit, and that's it. You can, you know, easily just go in like this as well with the tissue paper, so you get the whole inside, and you can see, voila, your AirPod Pro, or even your AirPods in general, they're good as new. They're brand new, and they're going to work well as well. You can do it to the inside as well if it's dirty. The inside is usually fairly simpler to clean, but yeah, overall this was a very quick tutorial. I wanted to show you guys how to clean your AirPod. I do hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, smash that like button, it helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.